In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the gray screen issue in Google Chrome. If Chrome opens with a blank gray window or becomes unresponsive, these troubleshooting steps can help get your browser working normally again. First, try launching Chrome without hardware acceleration. Close Chrome completely, then right-click your Chrome shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, add a space followed by Disable GPU at the end of the existing path. Click Apply, then OK, and launch Chrome using that shortcut. If Chrome opens normally, the issue is likely related to hardware acceleration. Once Chrome opens, click the three-dot menu, then go to Settings, System, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Relaunch Chrome to save the change. After confirming the issue is fixed, you can remove the Disable GPU launch option from the shortcut. If the problem continues, type Chrome flags into the address bar and press Enter. In the search box, search for Choose Angle Graphics Backend. If you've previously changed this setting, restore it to default, then click Relaunch. Next, make sure Chrome is updated. Open the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Install any available updates and restart the browser. If you're still seeing a gray screen, disable your extensions by opening Chrome extensions and turning them off one at a time. You can also reset Chrome by going to Settings, Reset Settings, then selecting Restore Settings to their original defaults. If none of these steps work, uninstall Chrome, download the latest version from the official Google Chrome website, and perform a clean installation. That's how to fix the gray screen issue in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.